You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this place. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary too many people get wrong, including names of places in Canada. So this is said in English as channel, Porto Basque, Port-o-Basque, Porto Basque. It comes from French for reference. In French it'd be said as Port au Basque, Porto Basque. This is why in English it's said as Porto Basque. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.